Hello friends, welcome back again to this amazing channel CTech. My name is Barry Allen and today in this video I am gonna show you how you can get free proxies without any cost. So let's get started. All what you have to do, just follow the steps I am showing you here and just download the app from Play Store or App Store to connect your proxy. In App Store you have to download this app. Let me show you the app first and then I will go through the process of getting proxy. Okay, so let me show you the app first. This one is working in iOS. I'm using an iPhone, so that's why I'm using it. If you want to use Android, then you can choose app according to that. Okay, so here let me type the first thing here, free proxies. You have to follow the same steps and you will get it. Here you can see the website name, the first one, this one. Let me click on it and let me create my account. You can just connect your Google account to it. As I have already created an account in it, that's why I am directly here. As you can see guys, I have got 10 proxies here, so let me show you the country details here. You can just check it. Most of the times I need United States proxy, so I will just use it. I use this proxy to create bank accounts, PayPal accounts, Cash App accounts and these kind of stuff. You can also use that. So let me click on add a proxy. I will manually add it. Okay, so let me choose the details of the first one. Okay, I'm gonna use this one. Let me copy the server details, then I will type port and then authentication details. I will choose the proxy type to SOCKS 5 because it's a SOCKS 5 proxy. So follow the steps just like it. So I have done with all the details. Here I will click on the play button so that my proxy will be connected. So let me click on it. Let me show you the IP details first so that you can be confirmed that these proxies are working. I am here without any proxy, so you can check my IP details here. Okay. Then I will connect to the proxy and then I will show you the IP details again, whether they have been changed or not. So let me click on the play button so that my proxy will be connected. You can see at the upper corner that my proxy has been connected. Here it's showing a connection of VPN. Now let me refresh the page and let me show you whether the IP is connected or not and it's working fully without any detection or not. The main thing behind the proxy is that whether the proxy is being detected or not. If the proxy is good, then it will not be detected by the browser, any browser. If the proxy is bad, then it will be detected by your browser and it will be shown in this website that I am going to open. So it will take some time for the first time because I am connecting this proxy for the first time and it's the free one. It will just take a minute to be connected. And this site is very heavy, that's why it's being loaded for a long time. Okay, let me try to open any other website, whether that website is working or not. I've searched my IP. Now I will go to the first one and let me see whether my IP is working or not. As you can see here, my IP has been changed to 38.1, and here we can see our server details that my state is California. And now I will again try to open this great website whether we are here or not. So you can see guys, here the IP is already changed, and here you can see it's not detected by the browser. Proxy is showing nothing. Okay, so that's the authenticity of a proxy to be used for the creation of bank accounts, because if the proxy is being detected by your browser, then you have nothing and you can't create the account. So that's why I am giving you the free proxy details. If you have a little work, then you don't need to buy. You can just use these free proxies and you can just do your work. So let me disconnect it, and goodbye for the next video. Get subscribed to this channel because I upload this type of quality content for you. You can just make a lot of things by following this channel. Let me show you the app details again. This one is used by me. You can use any app you want and any proxy server.